Ndizi TV Ubwansu Bw'omugusi.
Nigo cheregire chinsa ikomicha bono margobane chinga kingu kwarigania idio tunyale kwemanya amangana mayasi njera yobenge bunabire kawatika ase omubasorero erietaria nedori kaske momana nigo tokubwatirana nere leader mose oyo kumanya gwetira senchira yemanyero nere sara momanye kwene kingama ligine chibichawe kire asenchira yobwikere ngo konyoria unyale gutubwate gwetira senchira yemetandao asense moya Facebook ogotonyora buna Ndizi TV News Digital kweka YouTube no turebuna Ndizi TV News nabo igo ase website tonyorebuna www.ndizitv.net. Abamenyi amona boncheri yakora ase chiro ya kibirigo yo tukamenye county ya Nyamira nigo banyora sara enene mambi ya lero maiga yo muliro gotubukana gosamba ebintu byabo ase chichiro amayigo ase chinyomba echo ase bono bemurunganeria igoro ya county yose abakoremera mu be county yo ya Nyamira anene ase ensemerie gosegasegera emebasokano ase bamoche ase gotekera naso bwango elyo gotolia enibo yabo nigo enibe nyinge yabakegosira eyo ikaboniga tamanyire nabayigo ase bataramanya ekeirera ogotuboka komorero yo nabayigo nigo bamochirie abokorariye bwemeremo ye bwaba emeremo ye county yo anene ase gotekerania amagendero ase chinsemo chonsi ime ye county yo ya Nyamira.
Nyamira na nekwanira mutukamana na bokorera serikali ye tima etinkita gite aswa tima etina maandamano tukubabekera na baro useningi torakorera because I received a call today at 5 AM because the guys there mbamaete I coordinated with Sasini last time amangana ikonge ende ninja nacho kuwakira Sasini esini bacha kurufu kebe bacha kumyakamaka kebe all the way that time could have been reduced. Take care of Nyamira town Makebiri, the proximity area is very short. Oh no, at the braking system, Chegari, Jiribuya, Maragari, Magatare, in the proper. So you see our counties are asleep. The only thing nearly 19 is very responsible for those matters. Tiga, Babu, okay, Bakara, 7 to Nini, and all that, they can be handled properly. Let the responsible leaders, the action will be taken to all responsible leaders.
Togo tigana na yona goska mote ni go morai wense Dr. William Ruto ritukoria rero akwaneire abakenya ase agacho iyo borai ya State House imeyomochi o Nairobi ase egati yebintu bere akwanera igoro yo moswada bwechibesa oyobo mwaka 2024 yoba kogo tuguterware ase atebemna nega egati yemerobirio eri babaire bakobeka eri kwene kinga ngoshibare koikirania amaganyo y'abakenya kubwatikana no kurobeka no kukwaba kokorekana ase chi kibere chaitre meyenseto ya Kenya chinga kicho Ruto nigo atebemna nigo barosiri committee ya bene eyo gochigotuka amadeni ale imeyenseto ya Kenya nabo igoro yobotumeke wechibesa buna bwabere bokorekana asenseto ya Kenya na serikali yeito.
Public debt is and continues to be a major point of engagement and conversation in Kenya. I have today appointed an independent task force to carry out a comprehensive forensic audit of our public debt and report to us in the next 3 months. This audit will provide the people of Kenya with clarity on the extent and nature of our debt how public resources have been expended and will also recommend proposals for managing our public debt in a manner that is sustainable and does not burden future generations. The consequence of withdrawing the finance bill is the reduction of our revenue targets by 346 billion. Over the last few days, our Treasury team has been assessing the adverse impact of either reducing the budget by 346 billion in full or borrowing the 346 billion in full.
Chinge kecho boigo rutoni gatebna nigo barachi ko kyania e budget imeyense buna enchire yemo yogo chi ko ikirania amaganio alibaganeti naboigo kwa alibaga anene ase ebintu byamana gose ase meroberi yamana aire bwente kolekana ase nseto ya Kenya ase gati yeme ebintu biri barachi ko kyani gose budget iri barachi ko kyana ingamo no korusia chobesi chaba CAS chibono bateringa tibali go chi kobeka gose mbali go chi kori kameremo aba kolimemo ba CS abo konye bano babeire abakenya babeire bakwemurunganiria nabo igo okurusia kwa LBC yomo sibati mutangani yorere choruto nabo igo LBC yomo sibati wense imeyense oyo kabere oyibono omo sibati osomorugi wo mokonyi wo morai wense nabo igo gati yechobisi chinde chikurosuwa ase chikaunti na kwene kingango keani abale abakoli emerimo nabo igo keani nonya nabantu bali bakorwa bosemya ase serikali eliokona kinga ngochibale ko gacha chibesa chinyenge na gochira ase chinsemo anene asateba na chinsemo chichiskuru na boigo kolika abalimu be chiskuru ase ensito ya Kenya.
In keeping with the enhanced austerity measures we have committed to implement and align government expenditures within the budgetary implications of the withdrawal of the Finance Bill 2024, the following actions shall be taken with immediate effect towards the realization of the new budget. 47 state corporations with overlapping and duplicating functions will be dissolved, resulting in the elimination of their operational and maintenance costs, and their functions will be integrated into the respective line ministries. Staff currently employed by the affected corporations will be transferred to ministries and other state agencies within government. The decision to fill the position of chief administrative secretaries is hereby suspended. The number of advisors in government shall be reduced by 50% within the public service with immediate effect. Budget lines providing for the operations of the office of the First Lady, the spouse of the Deputy President, and the Prime Cabinet Secretary will be removed. Similarly, the budget provisions for confidential budgets in various executive offices, including my own office, have been removed, and the budget for renovations across government reduced by 50%.
Abakori emirimo be serikali nigo bono barachi gutigara ase chinka chabo chinka keme chango erachi kugenderera ase chinsemo imeyense aya maiga yo murai wense Dr. William Ruto ko tenenia gose gotanga sabuna abakori emirimo be serikali onde bwensi te yo gochiwanchiro kugenda ase emiyega anene emiyega yemechango ase nseto ya Kenya.
No state officer or public servant shall participate in public contributions or haram phase going forward. The Attorney General is hereby directed to prepare and submit legislation to this effect and develop a mechanism for structured and transparent contributions for public, charitable, and philanthropic purposes. These measures will be followed by changes in government that I will be making.
Abasaye bari baba bagutigerwa chingoma abandi barasinya gitari n'abandi gosiria amagima abo chinga kicho kurobikana ase iki cyose chiki cha tribere nigo bono omoraye bwense ateruna nigo esrekali erachi kubasira elio kwene kinga batinire go ani bari barisinya gitari banyorere okuwena nabo igo kwa chingora ase chinka chiri cha bari basirire nabo igo chinga kicho nigo ruto arwa engora yabo guche ase abaire nabasani n'abamate ase abasaye bari baba bagosira nabo igo kubaboria kwenekinga ngo kibali ngo ikaransamo nabo igo kwenekinga ngo serikali ngo chire ko basira ase emechande yabake ko banyora.
2 weeks have been a difficult time for us as a country, where Kenyans have regrettably lost lives, many have been injured, property destroyed, and our institutions, especially constitutional institutions, attacked. Once again, I extend my deepest condolences to those who unfortunately lost their lives. One life, as we all know, lost is a life too many. To the mothers, fathers, siblings, relatives, and friends of those who lost their lives, my deepest sympathies and condolences to you all. Equally, to the many others who are injured and recuperating, I wish them quick recovery. The government of Kenya will support all those who've lost their lives and those who've been injured. Despite all this, as a nation, we are finally discussing issues. We are not discussing tribes, personalities, or
Togo tigana na yo na goska motuniga abamenyi bense moya Kibera Soweto yugutoka imiyomo cyo Nairobi mambia obo tukubukira rero banyora omochando munene maiga yomuro omuriro otubukana gosamba kinyomba gwetani chimisato asibona abanyene abo banyora omochando yo batigirwa chingoma chintinde asibamyoki wabo chinyagitari ao imeyo mochi o Nairobi kolende asegotebekana buna ekintu kirira gotubaka ku muliro uyo no koborokanibwa wechi waya cheje chinguru cyomuliro ecyo bono cyairera icishikagaire koirera wakorekana ku basukano oyo bumuriro. Waziri bwa mangana y'igikoro amona jenda Aisha Jumwa ni gori tukoria rero ara ekikaro kya abamanye amona babwatani umuntu wabuge Swahili imeye county ya Mombasa ase kerengekene konekinga ngo kibare kuira ege Swahili motwe imeye yorogongoro Afrika ka ukwana nigo Aisha Jumwa tebina enjire moyo konekinga ege Swahili kya chiri motu nabayigo kyabirige kumanyikana ase chinsemo chonsi imeye yorogongoro Afrika no gokora ebikaro ebiga na kubeka emeroberio anene kubwatani serikali yokane kinga ya sirire chiseme ase chiskuru eliokane kinga ekeswaili kiagendereire imeyenseto ya Kenya ayegani gachire chingaki abarimo amo na abamanye bomuntu bwegeswaili bagochigo chengera tukorege Swahili chitariki isa nebere omotinyi oyega.
Kwanza niseme hamjambo watazamaji wote wa Kenya na Jumuiya ya Afrika Mashariki na wapenzi wote wa Kiswahili duniani. Leo tuko hapa kwa ajili ya kongamano la Kiswahili. Kongamano hili liliandaliwa na Kamisheni ya Jumuiya ya Afrika Mashariki kuhusu masuala ya Kiswahili, na hili litakuwa ni kongamano la pili. Lile la kwanza lilifanyika kule Zanzibari na la pili linafanyika katika taifa letu la Kenya. Kwa hivyo katika taifa letu la Kenya tuko na hili kongamano la wataalam, wasomi wa Kiswahili, walimu wa Kiswahili, wanahabari, na wale wapenzi wa lugha ya Kiswahili, researchers, na wale wote ambao wamejumuishwa hapa ni wapenzi wa lugha ya Kiswahili. Kwa hivyo katika taifa letu la Kenya tuko na mchakato hivi sasa, kwa sababu hiyo ni kauli mbiu ya Jumuiya ya Afrika Mashariki ya kwamba sisi hivi sasa tuko katika mikakati tayari. Sheria ambayo itatupa uwezo wa kuunda baraza kuu la Kiswahili nchini Kenya tayari liko kwa mkuu wa sheria wa taifa letu la Kenya, kwa sababu lilipopitishwa katika baraza la mawaziri ilikuwa imechapishwa Kiingereza. So mkuu wa sheria, mwanasheria katika taifa letu la Kenya akatuamuru sisi kama wizara kupitia State Department ya Culture, the Arts and Heritage, ya kwamba tukaitafsiri sheria ile, not kuitafsiri but kuinterpret ni gani, kuibadilisha katika lugha ya Kiswahili. Kwa hivyo hilo limeshafanyika tayari, tumemrudishia mkuu wa sheria kuiangalia.
Mwanji omuriere ayigana ramangana majasenchera yobwenge na naro mwerio no chukenyora senchera yobwekira no chikoraga chinsa isano na ibire chabono marogo baire trene Dorcas Kimuma anigo twabwatrana nere lide mose ojene kinga kumanyiri gwetira senchera yemenyerio nere sala mumanye oyo one kinga mario gene chibicha awekira senchera yobwekira twara oborigerio buyame yandizi TV na bobwansu umogusi.